We're digital media arts.
We're digital media arts. Kinda. We're digital media arts.
We are digital media arts.
We're digital media arts.
We're digital media arts.
We're digital media arts.
We're digital media arts.
If you were guessing, how many laugh out loud moments were there in class over the last 2 years?
Far too many to count, like at least 100, probably more.
If you were guessing how many laugh out loud moments there were in class over the last 2 years, how many would you guess?
I would say too many to count, like way too many to count.
What was the favorite thing you learned the last 2 years? What was your favorite project that you worked on?
The favorite thing I learned was how to make stickers. They're very fun to make and pretty easy too. My favorite project would probably be the senior photo trip we did to Hoover Dam. No? Nope, I'm lying. We're not Hoover Dam. Parker Dam.
Oh, Parker Dam. If you could tell next year's seniors one piece of advice, what would it be?
I would say just to enjoy your last year here and to just expand on what you love to do and the passion you find in this class and expand on your creativity.
What advice would you give to a 10th grader that's considering signing up for digital media arts?
It's a lot of fun and you just have to work hard.
If you could tell next year's seniors one piece of advice, what would it be?
I would say have fun and enjoy the small moments when they last because they're not going to be there forever.
If you had to pick one catchphrase from the class, what would it be?
I'm going to go with "on that note."
Where did the phrase "on that note" come from?
After we finished our first project, like ever, it was Captain Welding, and Mr. Dixon showed the teachers our project, and afterwards they didn't laugh or anything. They just went, "On that note."
When Captain Welding arrived, it was too late. The village had been destroyed. Captain Welding knew he had only one option at this point. He had to go back in time to save the village. Well, I guess it turned out to be a pretty good story after all. What was the most memorable experience from class?
Mostly the field trips, both of them. Falling Water comes to mind first because that was more recent, but both of them were extremely fun and generally relaxing experiences.
What is the favorite thing you learned the last 2 years, or what was your favorite project?
I would say I enjoyed learning about the stickers, making stickers, and then my favorite projects were like the volleyball tournament. Oh, light painting.
Peekaboo!
I would say anytime we had a group project together, specifically HSTC, whenever we sat around the table and had to make the full script and just doing all that stuff was so much fun.
Yo, 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 what's good, guys? What's going on?
She's right behind me, isn't she?
Hey, you're HTC, right? HTC, but yeah, that's me. Let's just get this rolling. Good?
We should have did another Zoom in there.
I love that.
Okay, okay, first one. Yo, it's HSTC. I boot like bios. Girl, what's bios?
Bios?
I boot like bios, rapping in class while I eat hot Cheetos. Girl,
Hot Cheetos.
I'm tired of this. While I eat hot Cheetos at CCCTC, yeah, we glow like LEDs. I edit so hard, I broke 2 USBs.
What takeaways from the class do you think will help you most in the future?
How to deal with tough clients and how to talk to people.
What advice would you give to a 10th grader considering signing up for digital media arts?
It'll definitely make your day walking through the door and getting to work on what you're passionate about. But my best piece of advice is to explore and experiment.
If you had to choose a theme song for the class, what fits it perfectly?
Bohemian Rhapsody. It starts off calm, kind of somber, and then eventually grows more chaotic. Kind of like a class.
If you had to describe this class with one word, what would it be?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
What was the most memorable experience from class?
Probably the van ride to Falling Water.
Nice. Why? What happened?
Just like all talking and Joey pointed at a horse that wasn't there.
What advice would you give to a 10th grader that's considering signing up for digital media arts?
Get close to your class. That's what makes it fun. Like, this has been one of the best school years I've had for years because I got close to my class and it really got me through the year. So, highly recommend it.
What was my lines again?
What takeaways from the class do you think will help you most in the future?
I think the stuff that I actually learned in class would be the psychological part of graphic design and marketing.
We're digital media arts. Of course I've cried in the back of the class before because all my work got deleted.
We're digital media arts. Of course we make ASMR while using the microphones.
We're digital media arts. Of course we do silly voiceovers.
What's up, YouTube? We're Digital Media Arts. Of course, we take stupid pictures of our teacher, make them into stickers, and put them around the school. We're Digital Media Arts. Of course, we secretly take pictures of each other to capture memories together.
Oh, hi. We're Digital Media Arts. Of course we make our own t-shirt for the upcoming volleyball tournament next week. If I compiled all of the videos we shot over the last 2 years, how many minutes do you think there was?
Compiling everything, I feel like would be. I just said hours long. I think it would be hours long, but I think the bloopers would take up the most part of it.
If you had to describe this class with one word, what would it be?
Inspirational.
If you had to describe this class with one word, what would it be?
Encouraging.
If you could tell next year's seniors one piece of advice, what would it be?
Don't wait to get it done.
My eyes to the opportunity I had with my creativity and passion as well, so I would just say to sign up.
If you were guessing, how many laugh out loud moments were there in the class over the last 2 years?
Probably about 3 each week.
If you were guessing, how many laugh out loud moments were there in class over the last 2 years?
There were countless. I could not keep track.
If you had to pick one catchphrase from the class, what would it be?
Hey, Google Gemini.
If you could give one piece of advice to seniors next year, what would it be?
Talk to Mr. Dixon. He really is your friend as well as your instructor.
Mr. Dixon helped me find my passion for just like marketing and that whole area.
What advice would you give a 10th grader that's considering signing up for digital media arts?
It is definitely worth doing.
2, 1.
I was just waiting to get my picture taken, and here comes this girl. She was real obnoxious, and like she just doesn't understand. You know, like I know Victoria's Secret. She doesn't. Like she isn't one of us.
2, 1.
So, what went down during that photo shoot that day?
Oh my gosh, if I could just tell you, which I am going to obviously tell you. So, I'm a very high-end photographer. I mean, I've taken photos for Vogue, and I've taken photos for these high-end magazines. And yet, when I held this photography session, in walks in this disgusting little rat. I mean...
Do what you love to do here and love it.
All right, cut.
No, wait, what did I say?
I wasn't recording that whole time. I was just holding this.
We're Digital Media Arts. Of course we think we're recording when we're really not.
Of course I forgot to hit. We're Digital Media Arts. Of course I forgot to hit the button.